Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access LegalZoom dashboard. Now onto the LegalZoom, they have four types of drop-down button. They have for business type, like the register your business, run your business, protect your business. Personal, like estate plans, family, real estate, and services. They also have attorneys, like a business attorney, personal, trademark, or other legal matters, wherein they also have a forms like document assist, which is powered by the AI, and a legal form templates, which also has an e-signature. Now, if you want to have one, like for example, onto the business or onto the personal, for example, you're going to click here onto the will. Click on get started. And now, all you're going to do is to choose a specific subscriptions. They have three types. Mostly, it starts with basic, a pro, and a premium. Click on start my trial and enter the state. And all of the informations, just simply follow the prompts enabled for you to have one of their features. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.